how to use and run Python in Visual Studio Code. If you're watching this video, I believe you've already installed Python and Visual Studio Code on your system. If you haven't done that yet, don't worry. I've already made a separate video showing how to install Python on Windows, so you can watch that first and then come back here. Now let's start using Python in Visual Studio Code. First, open Visual Studio Code. Once it's open, you'll see a clean screen. From here, we need to create a place where our Python files will live. This is called a folder. Go to the top menu, click on File, and then click Open Folder. Now create a new folder anywhere on your computer. You can name it something like Python Practice or Python Projects. Select that folder and open it in VS Code. On the left side, you'll see the Explorer panel. This shows all the files inside your folder. Right now it's empty. Next, we'll create our first Python file. Right-click inside the Explorer area, click New File, and name it main.py. The .py extension tells Visual Studio Code that this is a Python file. Once you open main.py, you can start writing Python code. Let's write our very first program, Hello World. This is usually the first program every programmer writes. It's just a simple line that tells Python to display a message on the screen. After typing the Hello World message, save the file by pressing Ctrl S. Now let's run the program. There are multiple ways to run Python in VS Code, but I'll show you the easiest one. At the top right corner, you'll see a play button or run button. Click on it. If this is your first time running Python, VS Code might ask you to select a Python interpreter. Just choose the one that says Python with the version number. As soon as you run the file, you'll see the output at the bottom in the terminal. If everything is set up correctly, you should see Hello World printed there. And that's it. You've successfully created your first Python file and run it inside Visual Studio Code. In the next videos, we'll start building real Python programs step by step, so make sure to subscribe and follow along. Happy coding!